back to my channel. Today is Friday, October 30th. I am in a really good mood. I don't know why. I'm just like, I woke up very happy. I have like so many things to tell you about and like so many different like life updates and like changes. I think I'm in a really good mood because the Ariana Grande album came out last night and I've like just had it on full blast as I've been getting ready this morning and stuff. But it is 11 a.m. I am all dressed and ready. I blew out my hair. I did some makeup. I put on a comfy little outfit. It is the 6th day in a row it has rained. I don't know what's good, but to be honest, I'm loving it. I love a rainy day, especially when you are working from home. Before I get into like my life update, because like things are changing, I just wanted to like be real with you guys and say that I feel like this morning I woke up, the like week before I get my period, I always never have motivation to work out. So like I didn't work out Sunday, Tuesday, and yesterday. Emotionally, I've just been like a mess, honestly. And this morning I was like, oh my God, like I just don't feel like doing it. And then I realized, oh, I'm about to get my period, this is why. And I was like being hard on myself and I was like, I'm probably gaining weight. Like I haven't been working out as hard as I've, you know, I mean, I don't have a gym. I mean, this is literally the first time in my life where I don't have access to a gym. I mean, I literally grew up with one and like I could go to one every single day. It's so weird, like not having one. So I've like really had to get creative. And then today, I don't know what happened. I don't know if it was the Ariana Grande album, but I was like, literally just sat there in the mirror. It was like the cheesiest thing. I was like, you are beautiful. Like just put on a cute outfit that makes you feel good. I did my hair, I did my makeup, and I was like, I feel so much better. I was like, I'm beautiful. My body is beautiful. Like if you don't feel like working out, then don't fucking do it. If it's a rainy day, whatever, you don't really have any motivation. It's been really hard for me just sticking to the home workouts. I'm bored. I'm doing the same things every single day with like dumbbells and stuff. And it's like, I'm like actually thinking about joining a gym, to be honest with you guys. But I just want to let you guys know, if you guys are ever having a bad day with your body image or something like that, just like remind yourself you're beautiful. If you've had like a weight loss journey, you know, remind yourself how far you've come. And one day you're not gonna lose your progress. 3 days out of the week, like whatever, it's just a bad week. Motivation is just running low and like that's okay. If you have to skip days like this, so be it. It happens, it's life. Sometimes these things happen and I feel like us women are very hard on ourselves and it's like, don't be so hard on yourself. Tomorrow's Halloween. I really want to do something, but like COVID and cases are going up, so like I don't really think I'll be going out. I also wanted to address something. We're also under a curfew in Philadelphia. We have been for the past few days. It's like 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. because Walter Wallace Jr. was brutally murdered by a police officer. I can't even wrap my brain around this. I'm like, when is this gonna end? I just don't understand. And you know what's really annoying is like I posted something on my Instagram about it, like information and stuff, and someone from my high school came at me and was like, he literally said he deserved to die. I was like, you're fucking kidding. I was like, this man deserved to die. I was like, he had a knife. His family called the cops because he was not mentally okay. So clearly there was like an underlying issue. And for this kid from my high school to say like he deserved to die was so infuriating to me, because why would you ever say that he deserves to die? It is so sad. It is so sad. And it's been really crazy in Philly. I haven't left my house, honestly, and I don't plan on it. Apparently this weekend is gonna get worse. I'm also really scared for the election because I feel like if Donald Trump wins, like the city's gonna go fucking insane. But yeah, it's been really crazy here and it is just so devastating. I mean, if you guys have seen the video of it, it's so sad, but there were a lot of places in my neighborhood actually that got broken into and looted. So I spent like the past 2 nights at Justin's house. It's just so sad to see that this is just gonna continue to go on, and my heart goes out to his family. I couldn't even imagine. It has been quite the week in Philadelphia. But there's also been posters all over for like the past week or two, and it says that there's going to be a purge on Halloween night, which is tomorrow. So that's a little concerning to me. Anyway, so it's a little frightening here. Oh, it did get delivered. Oh, you guys, I have to show you these. I'm really excited to go get them. All right, we're gonna go downstairs and get them. But before I get into it, I got a job doing social media. If you guys listen to the podcast, I announced it in my last episode, the one about how to move out on your own when you're a broke ass bitch. I'm employed again, guys. I'm so happy. It's really something that is like right up my alley and something I know I'm going to do really well in. I'm in the process right now actually of I have like a meeting with my accountant right now. We have to set up like my own like LLC basically, because I'm working for a small company, but I'll be doing most of the work by myself. So like I have to set up my own like LLC and all that stuff. I have a little bit of work to do on my computer. I would like to film some fashion TikToks, and I'm filming an assumptions about me video, which I told you guys to be mean, and I'm not gonna lie, like you guys were really fucking mean. I was like a little bit hurt about some of them. So I'm gonna do this, and then I will be back to show you guys these Amazon slippers because I'm so excited. Okay, so I just went downstairs and I had 3 things waiting for me. This Urban Outfitters bag must have been in my mailbox for 2 weeks now, because I literally just forgot that I ordered this, and I honestly don't even know what it is, so. Oh, they're rings. It's a ring set. It was like $3, and I was like, I'm just gonna buy this. I'm really exposing myself because I have a shopping problem, but they're really cute. Little gold rings, just like that. I am also, in this video, going to be doing an iPhone unboxing because I got the iPhone 12. Listen to how weird this is. So I went to HMTQ to go like inquire about getting it because I've had my phone for a while. They made my plan cheaper because I pay like $135 for my phone a month. I got the new iPhone completely free, no cost, and my plan got lowered by $35. Now I'm paying $100 a month. Good things like this just like never happened to me, so I was really confused. Like this just doesn't seem right. But I got a clear phone case and some screen protectors. I don't know why it came with the phone case, which is good because it's coming in today, and I don't have a phone case yet because I ordered one from Wildflower. I ordered like a cow print one because I'm obsessed with the cow print right now. So the phone is coming before the case, so this actually works out. In here is something that I've been waiting for. Slippers. A bitch just needed slippers, you know? So I got these. The ones with like the tan strap and then the white strap were like all sold out, but let's see how they fit. I have like really wide feet, so I hope they fit. Oh, they do. They fit perfectly. I'm obsessed. They're kind of slippery though. We will see how we like them. But that's that. I'm gonna go film some TikToks, and I will see you guys in a little bit. So I literally just filmed that clip, and 2 seconds later I pick up my phone and I got a text that my phone is here. So I'm gonna go take it to AT&T. I think it got here. Let's see. I don't know if it got shipped to AT&T or here. Let's see. Delivered. Signed for by front desk though. I don't know. We're gonna go downstairs and check. Wait, let's see. Hello? Hi, is this AT&T? Oh, I just got the message. Okay, awesome. I'll be there shortly. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, so change of plans. We're gonna go get my phone. It got shipped to AT&T. So it's raining out, which sucks, but like willing to bear the rain for this phone. I have secured the bag, baby. It is absolutely disgusting outside. I can't even believe I came out here. It's so cold. Are you kidding me? Why is my battery dying? I just got home. Here it is. This is a fake unboxing because I've seen it already. It's like halfway set up, but I got the 12 in white. I was gonna get the 12 Pro, but they were not available until the end of December, and I was like, you know what, this is fine, it's the same thing, whatever. So I have this, I have my old phone that I need to get rid of, but I am gonna, I guess, play around with this and set it up. I'm excited. I haven't updated my old phone, so I don't know what like the new iOS looks like or anything. So it's being set up right now. It's weird because it's a little smaller. It's also like really, really light. It's crazy. I've never felt a phone this light before. I'm excited to like compare the two of them. I'm just cooking up some lunch right now because I really didn't eat breakfast. I'm gonna go set this up and I will see you guys in a little bit because I need to go charge this battery because it's literally about to die. Hello, I am back. It is about 4 o'clock now. I just filmed my assumptions video. That went pretty well. I had a bunch of winter clothes that I had to put away, so I did that. I filmed like 3 TikToks. So it has been a very productive digital creating day. Justin just called me and he said that his job is closing early tonight because it is mischief night, and I forgot about mischief night and I'm like freaking the fuck out. I think we're gonna have a wine night and then I'm gonna cook dinner, but he is pet sitting a cat tonight, so we have to go to his house. I am gonna run over to the supermarket and go get some like ground turkey because I'm gonna make this pasta. I actually just uploaded the TikTok, so if you guys want to watch that, I will have the TikTok here. I've been posting so many recipes on TikTok, so make sure you guys are following me on there. So I am gonna go run to the store. I have like an hour and a half till he gets out of work, and so we're just gonna have like a nice chill Friday night. So it is a little bit later now. It's like 6 o'clock, so I'm gonna run over to the grocery store and then walk to his house after. Apparently it's raining again, so love that. Got some wine, got some turkey meat, we are ready. Hello everybody, it is Saturday morning. I'm on my second cup of coffee today. My wildflower case just got here. I'm really excited about it. I got this cow one. I've been like loving the cow print lately. It's like 11:30. I worked out. I am so tired. I don't know what it is, but today I just absolutely, I can't wake up. I can't get it together. I was just like sitting there on the treadmill this morning and I was like, oh my God, this is horrible. So I really only walked for like 30 minutes, but whatever, at least I did something. I might go like on a run later because it's like cold outside. It's Halloween. Happy Halloween. I love Halloween with all of my heart and I'm so sad that it's COVID. I'm really sad. I literally just want to dress up and just like take an Instagram picture and maybe get drunk in my house or something. I don't really know. I mean, there's still a curfew in effect, so it's not even like we go out and sit outside at a bar or something. And also it's 30 degrees outside, so like there's nothing for me to do tonight. I'm just gonna do some more YouTube work while I can right now, just because I'm like have time and I'm like bored. That's what's going on today. Not too exciting. I'm just catching up on some YouTube videos for my watch later. Probably gonna do my nails again because I literally get bored and peel them off. Not too exciting, but we love a chill day. Hi guys, so it is a lot later now. I don't really feel too good. I'm like super congested and I just like feel disgusting today. So I'm gonna go outside and just get some fresh air because I feel like I'll feel better. So I'm just gonna go on a little walk. It's the last day before it's gonna get dark at like 4 o'clock. So I'm just gonna enjoy it. Good morning. Sunday. It is about 8:30. I didn't end off the vlog last night just because I did nothing. There was nothing to show. I felt like shit. I don't really know why. I went on a really nice like 40-minute walk actually. It was really nice. So I'm making some coffee now. I'm starting my day. I woke up at 8. I'm gonna have some hot coffee because it's 30 degrees outside and I don't know if I should turn my heat on. It's 68 in here, which is a really nice temperature. I love like a 68 degree. All right, this is not gonna open. I slept extremely well. All I did last night was watch Gossip Girl. I don't know why I was like, I'm gonna restart Gossip Girl, even though I've seen it 80,000 fucking times. I love rewatching Gossip Girl in the fall. This smells so good. It is Godiva caramel coffee. Oh my God, I'm really excited to try this. And I'm going to get my assumptions video up for you guys because I don't really have anything else to do except for create content. It's gonna be a little weird for me, I feel like, to settle in this routine of like working from home with like 2 digital media like type of jobs. Like it's gonna be weird at first, but I feel like obviously like I can do it and this is what I wanted to do. And it's just like weird because I have to rely on myself to wake up every morning even though it's Sunday, but like it's weird. I just want to make sure that I'm up at an early time and getting stuff done, being productive. It's just like really important to me to stay productive and get work done if I have to get work done and stuff like that. So that's what's going on. But I'm just gonna edit my video, have a morning. It is currently 12 o'clock. I am still in bed. Like I told you guys the other day, I've just had no motivation because of my period and I'm just like down and out because of it, honestly. I just placed an Amazon and a Target 1-day delivery order and I'm getting Christmas decor sent to my house like within the next few hours. I've been watching Gossip Girl, so it's really gotten me in the spirit. I'm gonna try and get a workout in and I'm gonna put on Christmas pajamas and decorate my house all day, and I'm really freaking excited to do so. Literally nothing can kill my vibe. I'm so happy. Let me know in the comments below when you guys decorate for Christmas. I love to do it like the day after Halloween because I love Christmas so much. It just puts me in such a good mood and it makes me so happy. So it's a little bit later now. The sun is about to set. I do like daylight savings time because of the fact that like I'm in my pajamas and like ready to eat dinner and then go back to bed. So like I do feel like my introverted self really does thrive during daylight saving times. I wanted to show you guys what I did so far. So I did a Target same-day delivery, but Target shopper was like, oh sorry, they don't have a single Christmas item in stock that you want. The Targets in the city are so bad. They never have stuff. Ooh, 3 stops away. Amazing. So I ordered a few things. I brought some Christmas decor from home that I had, but like I threw a lot of it out because it was just like cheap and I want nicer looking decor. I'll show you guys what I did. I'm also have my Christmas pajamas on. I literally got these from Victoria's Secret so many years ago and I love them. They're so cozy. So around my TV, I just did a little bit of
garland and some lights with some like pine cones and red berries. I also had one of these little Bath & Body Works candle holders, which is like a Christmas tree thing. I have some things from Amazon coming for this little mantle, but I got that at Target last week. So it was like $5. I was like, oh my God, it's so cute. And then I also kept this from home that I brought over and this little dashing through the snow sign. So that's what we got going on, not too much, but I am excited for the other things to get here.
So my Amazon stuff just got here. I really could have opened that a lot nicer than this. I got these because I had fall decor where this normally was, but I have something very similar like these. Oh God, I hate styrofoam. Oh my God, it literally gives me the chills. I hate it, I hate it. Is that like nails on a chalkboard for you guys too? Because it is for me. So I got this vase trio. I have something similar like it in my bedroom. I wanted to put some more pampas grass or greenery in these. I think greenery, like live greenery, would be really nice. You know, I got these because I didn't know, oh no, why do they have this? I didn't know how corny these were gonna be. They're like stuff for your windows, like little snowflakes. I don't know, they were like $3. And then I got pillow covers. I'm really excited about these the most. And then I also got some pine cones to decorate with and like fill some things with. Oh, this is a little burlap sign. Oh, I don't like this. I actually just like really quickly just made cookies because I was in the mood. I was just about to call you.
Holy shit.
What?
Like didn't even ring. I heard her voice immediately.
I will eat whatever you want to eat. The most difficult thing for us in our relationship is picking food.
I mean, like, what would you do if I
just put everything up? I don't know how I like a couple of the things. Wow, my face looks so red from my TV light.
the one thing I do love are these pillows. I really love them. And like these two cases were only like $15, I think maybe even $13. So we love that. I added some more pine cones to my little garland thing. And then I have this Merry Christmas sign, but it didn't come up that it was plaid. Like it just came up that it was just red. So I don't really like it. I think I'm gonna get a different one, but this is just what it looks like for now. I don't think it looks terrible. And I also ordered my tree. It's 5 feet, so it's gonna go right here. I put some more pampas grass in these. I really like that. And then I just kind of like simpled everything out over here. And I think that's about it. What else did I do? Oh, I have these that I switched out. I just threw some pine cones in there and took the pumpkins out, but
I actually cannot believe that it's 5:30. Like it's literally only 5:30 and it's pitch black outside. This is so weird. Since I'm just like chilling, Justin's coming over, I'm gonna cook, and we are going to drink some vino that I'm about to crack open. And, oh, this is a Sauvignon Blanc. Oh my God, what? This is a twist off, right? Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. It's a big game tonight. Eagles and the Cowboys are playing, so I'm excited to just be in my pajamas, have my candles lit. I'm comfy, I am clean, drink a little bit of wine. It's a great night, guys. I really can't complain here. With that being said, I am going to end off today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll keep you guys updated on the decor and everything. I'm doing some fun things this week, so I'll definitely be sure to vlog. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.